Hello everyone, I am now Kiyusuke. So today in this video, I'm going to make a review for the Beat Saber accessories for Oculus Quest 2. It is a really quite long product name. So what this is that it is an attachment for your controller, okay, kind of like Lightsaber. So I don't want to explain it too much to you. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So first, let's open the box. Okay, now there you go. That's really is. So here is what you will get is the user manual, okay, installation manual, and it will show you how to attach these accessories on your controller. Okay, now let's see what we get here. So here is the first attachment. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, let's take this out. You'll get two pair of this one and get a pair of this, okay, for both of your controller. Now you also get this, this one. Okay, this side, another one. This one, and a USB cable, charging cable, so you can charge your Oculus Lightsaber using this. Okay, and also you will get this black strap, which is really cool. I'll change this to a new one. Okay. USB charging cable, you will only get one, so you need to charge doing it vice versa, because you have two lightsabers, so you need to charge through lightsaber. Unless you have two of this cable, you can charge both at the same time. And lastly, what you will get is the, what do we call it, lightsaber itself. So let's take this out from the packaging. There you go. Let's take this one out. Oh my god, it's stuck. The plastic is stuck. Okay. Yeah. Let's put this box aside. And here is the lightsaber. I bet it is quite long. I mean, not really long, but yeah, it is this long. I don't know, it can't fit my camera. Okay. So if I push this button here, it will activate the lightsaber. You can change color. So this is blue, which is really cool. Yeah. This is green, red. Wow, you have so much choice. Okay. Okay, there you go. You have a preferable choice of colors. I don't know the sentence. Okay. So let's attach this onto our Oculus controller. Okay. So now let's see how to assemble this part here. Okay, so this part goes inside here. Okay. I don't watch the user manual, I don't read it, so I just trying to guess how to attach this on my own. Maybe we need to open up this part first. There you go. Now put this inside here. Okay, so we are going to make sure that everything aligns. So make sure this line here aligns with this part. You can see there is an arrow showing the slot here and here. So make sure this line align with the slot. So let's put it inside just like this. Yeah, it fits perfectly. And screw this from the back. Okay, so I have tightened it up and you can see, wow, it looks really good. There you go. Now we've got 2 lightsaber. Shing, shing. Yeah. Now let's put this to the test and see how good it looks.
I'm a living legend. You ain't heard yet, you not get the message. From the moment that I'm stepping in, I get a couple weapons. Yeah, I turn to a beast when I'm rapping. I'm a living legend. You ain't heard yet, you not get the message. From the moment that I'm stepping in, I get a couple weapons. Yeah, I turn to a beast when I'm rapping. You are now watching the lecture, so sit back and let the show begin. The pro is saying no, it's aiming to go and get me loaded. And no offense, when suckers ain't get close to no chance. I'm gonna win, my flow is so much doper than an over again. Oh my lord, here we go again, it's going on and on. Double kill. See ya! Triple kill. Shoot. Double kill. Triple kill.
Okay, so after I have played with this lightsaber attachment, okay, there is one thing that is bothering me, which is the ergonomic ergonomic issue with this stuff. Because okay, one thing that we already know that this Oculus Quest controller is pretty small, and you can see that whenever I swing this lightsaber controller, okay, it somehow tends to slip away from my hand, okay, and at the same time this battery cover, you know, you can see here, okay, whenever I swing this lightsaber, the battery cover will slip away from my hand. So you know, this thing is not really ergonomic in terms of design. Okay, so I guess if you want to play this lightsaber, Beat Saber, you need to have another type of attachment so that you could have a better grip on this controller. It is not comfortable to grip your controller like this. Okay, you don't hold a sword like this because it's really not comfortable. If you hold it like this, sure, it will slip away from your hand. If you hold like this, you have a, you know, what do we have here, small grip over here, and it will also slip away from your hand. So the best way to deal with it is you need to buy a special attachment so that you will have a better grip on your controller. So would I suggest this lightsaber? I would say no, okay, unless you have that attachment that I've mentioned. So yeah, It's not really cool playing with this. I need to somehow 3D print a handle grip for my controller itself. So I guess that's it for my honest review for this product. So if you enjoy watching my video, please give a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. May the force be with you.